Hi guys, it's Joe here from Dreigiau'r Mynydd. I just got home from one of the most mammoth weeks of fundraising we've had so far as two of the units. So Dreigiau'r Mynydd and the Welsh Barbarians have taken on the big task of doing Scout Post in Cardiff City, and they've got, between the two units, they've got three areas. So Dreigiau'r Mynydd have one area and it's Splot, and I'll explain a little bit more about that in a second. And the Welsh Barbarians, they had Pontprennau and Pentwyn, and most of their post is going to be delivered this weekend. So if you're in either of those areas, make sure you say hi. If you're a scout, if you're in Cardiff and you see scouts delivering scout posts, say hi. They're all volunteering to do it. All the money that people have spent to buy those stamps will help us run awesome activities in Cardiff and the Vale of Glamorgan. So thank you very much for that. Hopefully I've going to put some little clips of Scout Post happening, or some pictures of Scout Post happening in here. But there's been loads of good work by all the units. So for every stamp sold, so we've sold nearly 5,000 stamps, there's a postcard that goes with it. So you can imagine that the amount of post there is. And over the weekend, keep an eye on both units' Instagrams, because I'm sure there'll be pictures of the guys posting it, so you can see how much they actually have to cover. So I want to say a massive thank you to all the parents who helped out. There's been some people who've done some real great stuff. All the young people who came down and helped sorted the post out at the hub this week. That's been fantastic. And anyone who's helped us sell stamps or bought stamps, thank you. You've taken us another step on our journey. So I really want to thank you for that. All right. Thank you very much. And I look forward to seeing you on Monday, when I can show you what Dreigiau'r Mynydd got up to this weekend. And I'm going to hide a little secret. I'm sure you can guess. It has something to do with Scout Post. All right. See you soon. Bye.
We hope that you like that video. If you want to follow our journey, give us a like on Facebook, a follow on Twitter, or subscribe down below.